Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I have been on here. I do apologize.
A few moments later.
Today I'm coming to you guys with an aloe vera cleanse for the hair that I do after I wash my kids' hair. I do this aloe vera cleanse, which is all natural products. Everything I buy is all natural products that I do for the aloe vera cleanse. So today I'm going to show you how I make my cleanse at home. Today I'm using some extra virgin olive oil right here that I pick up at my local Walmart right there. I'm using this organic coconut oil, the unrefined coconut oil right here. This is how it looks on the inside here. Okay. Also, I got these little tubes, you know, that you put like ketchup and mustard in. I got these from the local Dollar Tree store. So I'm just going to use one of these tubes right here. And also a small little SUV little bulb right here that you can just pick up at anywhere. They have them all over the place to stick inside, so it'd be easier for the product to pour inside. And I actually went on and warmed up that coconut oil that I'm using right here. So this is that. And then also, I can't forget the aloe vera here, okay? So you need to, of course, wash it, which has already been washed and cleaned. And I'm going to go ahead and just, okay guys, so we're going to get started with cutting the aloe vera. Please be careful. Also, for those that don't know, you can, if you don't use it all, you can freeze it until you're ready to use it again. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. It is pokey. Sometimes some people want to use gloves because it can cause a little bit of itchiness. Sometimes it causes that with my fingers, but not too bad. You know, I don't have that. This is actually pretty big. Okay. So we go. Oops, I was doing it, okay? Because I just want to get the jelly out. I'm over here using bad methods, okay? But you know what? Just get the jellies out and be careful, okay? And so this is how the jelly should look. Just like that. Just like that. You see that? Okay. So I'm going to scrape it out. This is a cutting board. If you have a cutting board, please get one. You don't want to cut up everything. I'm going to start scraping all this out. Okay. Just like that. Guys, so I'm back. What I didn't tell you earlier, that you have to go ahead and cut off the sides. Okay, cut off the sides, and it's very simple, very easy. Just go down on the sides and cut them off. Get the spikes out there, okay? So they won't be hurting you. All right, now I have all this extra aloe vera here, which I go ahead and cut up to save and freeze, okay? Freeze it so you can have it for later. You don't have to go out and get more aloe vera. You can freeze aloe vera and save it for later. I'm gonna put this part in aluminum foil and have it saved for later. Just the ones that I did not use. Okay. So all of these pieces I did not use. I'm gonna freeze it and save it for later. Okay, guys? I have to go get a bowl to put all of this in because it's very gooey. And I need all of it. Okay? So, and since I'm only doing 2 heads with this today, and I'm not doing my third child's, I'm gonna freeze the rest. Just wanna get as much as I can get out of it, you know? Some people like to use the skin and fry it up and actually smash it up and stuff. And that has a lot of, you know, vitamins and nutrients and stuff in there as well. But today I'm not using the skin. I'm just gonna use the inside. And I don't need much. You're gonna scrape it up good, get it all. I don't really care to use too many products like that when it comes to like a hair oil cleanse. I mean, there is this one product that I wanted to try on my hair, which is coming soon, and I'm gonna do a unveil on it. That Canvas brand that I've been seeing all over Facebook. I want to try it. I've seen nothing but good reviews on it, so when it comes, I will do, which it already has came. So I'm talking about when it comes, so it has came already, and I will post that video here shortly of an unveil of the actual product. Look at how gooey that is. Ew. Okay. So it should look like this. That's how it should look. That's how it should look, guys. Just like this. Okay? So, guys, okay. Basically, you get a strainer and get a bowl. Put the aloe vera, which was poured inside the strainer. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to strain all of this out. And I will show you the final result here.
Many hours later.
Okay, guys, so I got a little bit of the juice and I already added a little bit of olive oil to it. So I'm going to show you guys how I pour everything in there and go from there. Okay, guys? So just watch me go. A bottle here. Can't forget that. I'll set it up like that. So you guys can see. Put it down. This is the coconut oil. This is the olive oil. And now I'm going to pour the aloe vera and inside. It's not going to be much. You just want enough to spray onto, you know, just to pour onto the hair, okay? You don't need all the extra. Just enough. And this is going to be enough to cleanse through her scalp. I was going to do 2, but I think of mine to do just 1 head today because I'm kind of tired. But this is how it should look. Because, I mean, I've used olive oil. So olive oil has, you know, that brown looking. And so that's what I do. That's my aloe vera mask that I use on their hair after I do their wash. I'll put some of this on there And that's going to be it. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit those thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.